Regards to everyone. Today I am going to introduce you about the Ahar Vidhi Vishesh Aayatanam topic. Let's start our today's topic. This is a classical Ayurvedic concept found in the Charak Samhita. It refers to the how eight key factors responsible for wholesome and unwholesome effect of ahar on body. Ayurveda emphasizes that simply eating good food is not enough. How, when, what, who eats it all matter significant. So let's discuss about such factor. प्रकृति करण संयोग राशि देश काल उपयोग संस्था उपयोक्ता these eight key factors are responsible for the wholesome and also unwholesome effect of ingested food on body. So let's discuss each factor precisely. प्रकृति तो प्रकृति इज ए स्वभाव और नेचर और क्वालिटी और इनहेरेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्सटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, guru, lagu, these are the qualities which are inherently present in the ahar and ausad dravya. For instance, the prakriti of black gram or pork is heavy, while that of green gram or deer meat is light. So that is why Wakbert said that consume the heavy substance up to the half the satiety and not up to complete satisfaction for the light substance. Now Karan. Karan is the making or refinement or processing of dravya or the sanskar that are added to the qualities of those substance. So these qualities are brought about by contact of water and fire, by cleansing, churning, place, time, infusing, steeping, or and so on, and also by the medium used for storage or processing. For example, Tripala lap. Applying Tripala lap on an iron vessel and keeping it for a day before consuming it, according to Ayurvedic practice, it enhances the Rasayana effect. And Shunti from Ardha. The process of drying ginger and adding it to lime water alter the substance property from heavy to light. Now, Sanyog. Samyog is the combination of two or more substances. This combination exhibits the peculiarities that are not seen in case of individual substance, such as combination of honey and ghee and that of honey, fish and milk. For example, honey and ghee when used separately act as nectar, but when they are combined act like poison. So while consuming the food, we should consider this factor. Rasi. Rasi consists of Sarvagra and Parigra. Sarvagra means account of a whole amount of the entire meal, such as the combined quantity of the rice, wheat, pulses, vegetable, and so on. Parigra means detailed measurement of each article of diet separately. So this determines the effect of any food article taken in proper or improper quantity. Desh. Desh means the geographical region. It indicates the origin and distribution of substance and as well as their suitability to that region. Let's take ginger as the substance. Desh and for the Desha, South India, particularly Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In concern to the Utpatti, ginger naturally grows and is cultivated in warm, humid climates like South India. In concern to the Prachar, from there it is distributed to the other parts of the India and the world. So in concern to the Desh Satmya, people living in South India are more accustomed to heat producing nature of ginger and often use it in their daily diet. In contrast to people in already hot region may need to balance it carefully, while those in cold climates might find it especially beneficial for warming the body. Now, Kal. Kal is time. Time is used in two senses. Time in the general senses and as Nitya, and time in a sense of stage as Avastika. The stage used in relation to disorder is Avastika Kal, and time in general senses is used in relation to the seasonal wholesomeness in a Rutu Satmyata. In Jwara, Raktashali and Sastika Shali are good in context to Avastik Kal. And in context to the Nitya Kal, the in specific Rutu, specific Ahar are indicated in Ayurveda Sanhitas. For example, in Sharad Rutu, Tikta Drus is good for the health. Now, Upyog Stanstha. It devotes the rule for dietings. So, this depend upon the strength of digestion. Upyogta. Upyogta is the R who consume the food. R who takes food is responsible for the wholesomeness by the habitual intake of food. What is the significance of these eight factors in concern to the wholesomeness and unwholesome effect of that food on body? So these eight factors help determine the suitability and health impact of any food item according to Ayurveda. So when these are properly considered, food become nourishing and medicinal. When ignored, even healthy food can cause imbalance and disease. I hope you will consider this factor while consuming the food for maintenance of health. Thank you.